Hi, today I'm going to show you how to assemble and adjust and use your new Victorio apple peeler. As you get it out of the box, it will come like this, and you will have three other parts, the fork and two parts of the handle to assemble. Simply take the wooden piece, set the screw in, and you can start it by hand to get it going, then take a Phillips and tighten it down. To attach the fork, simply screw that on to the end of the shaft and tighten that down by hand. Now, one thing you will want to adjust first before its first use is to check and see if the fork is aligned to go through the coring blade. So, to release this, instead of just slowly screwing it backwards, you can release the lever and pull it back. Now what you'll want to do is look and see if that is centered through here. So you can release this wing nut and then adjust where you want the blade so that it's centered and tighten it back up. This coring slicing blade is also removable, so if you loosen that, you can completely remove it and still use the peeling arm to just peel something like potatoes. Now I can see that it will fit right through there and be centered. The next feature you can adjust is the peeling arm, which is right here. First, if you want to adjust how much peel is being taken off, you release this wing nut, and then you can slide the blade forward and back, and you can adjust that if you want a little thicker or a little less. Then tighten it back up. Now the other thing you can tighten or loosen is this screw right here, and that determines how close set this arm rests and where it starts. So if you begin to turn that in, it will push it even closer, the arm. Now if you take this and turn it the opposite direction, you want your arm to set a little further back as it begins, then you can adjust the screw right here. The next nice feature about this arm, the peeling arm, is there is a little metal lever that you can engage right here that will hold the arm back out of the way. If you want to run an apple through to just core and slice it without removing any peel, you just engage the lever so that it is held back out of the way, and then you can do it that way. Now to actually use your apple peeler, you want to set it on your counter, put the clamp down to secure it in place, pull this little lever back so that you can load your apple on, then load it on right here. Then begin to crank it. And there you go. These are the slices, and this is your apple core. After you've peeled your apple, you get these nice little rings, and they come apart. And so the slices are great for doing apple pie, apple crisp, or just the kids like to eat it this way as a snack. Hope you enjoy your new Victorio apple peeler slicer.